Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make this. I press a button and my screenshots are gone, and I can view this amazing wallpaper, and also I can bring them back with just one hit of a button. It's so awesome, and I will teach you how to make this right now. You just need to go in your Stream Deck, and you just need to go on the Elgato Marketplace and search Windows. Windows is not too much of a deal, and you will have these Windows gizmos, and yeah, you will have something like get now, or let me see, it's a get button. Okay. You will have the get button, and after that you will have open in Stream Deck. So I will open my Stream Deck, and I already have that installed for sure, but after that you will have a lot of bunch of stuffs in here. So yeah, as you can see, you can make a lot of things with this amazing plugin, but for now we will just focus on this shortcut thing. So let me make these things with you with where is it at? Navigation tab should put him better. Let's create a new folder. I like to make this fresh for you, not with my messy things from the Stream Deck. I have insanely amount of pages, but yeah, you just need to go here, and you have these show hide desktop icons. You just bring this here. You just, I don't know, name it how you like. For me it's test, let's say test. It's not too much of a deal, but yeah, maybe I will change this soon. You can change the icon, set icon from file, I don't know, you can put this counter, which I will tell you how to make a counter in the next video, or I don't know, stuff like that. You know how to change it, but maybe I will make a video about these icons also. So now if we hit this test button from my Stream Deck, all my shortcuts are gone. So yeah, with just one button you can remove your messy desktop and can enjoy your amazing wallpaper. Again, this is not an ideal button which will, I don't know, maybe press it and do this kind of stuff, so make them to look clean. But yeah, I just make my desktop messy to show you how this plugin works. So yeah, as you can see, one hit of a button and your desktop it's clean and perfect for this kind of videos when you wanna have your desktop to be clean and to be prepared for, yeah, what you wanna say in your YouTube videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.